Hi everyone, today I'm opening my second Upcrate and I'm very excited to see what it is. It's for the month of December. Oops, forgot the sides. And create your creativity on Instagram. Alrighty. Let's see what we have here. And we start with a really cool print. It's by Sonia Stegman, the co-captain of the Upcrate. And let's see what kind of paper we have. We have a couple of black sheets. Oh no, we have 3 sheets of black paper. It's very smooth and very thin, but super smooth. And 4, I think, 4 of the some white paper, and it's very smooth as well. Probably for markers, I would think. Oh my goodness, this is full of stuff. Alright, let's get the package first. Hey, won't you? I just opened that. That's the exact same package with my scroller box. Yay! Alright, I'll probably give it to someone. That's funny though. And then what do we have here? We have some Artline Decorite water-based pigment ink for decorating and writing on card, glass, porcelain, metal, and plastic. It's acid-free. Oh wait, this one doesn't have a cap on. Uh-oh. So it's a brush. Alright, let's see what the cap for this one went. Oh, it's on the other side here. I wonder if it's all dried out now. It says keep capped, so it could be dried out by now. We'll have to try it out. By the time it comes here, it takes a good 10 days to a couple weeks to arrive, so we'll see. Anyway, so we have a white, a yellow-green, metallic green. Ooh, nice. See another metallic one here. Bronze, black, metallic red, brown, and yellow. 2, so 8 of those. Then look at these guys, Artline sticks, which I've had in a long time ago. I'd say a couple years ago in a scroller box already. They're not bad, but they're more like kids markers really. But you know, you can use them like Legos and attach them together if you want to. Except I won't be able to demonstrate it just because. There you go. Then We have a Faber-Castell Gold Faber B pencil. Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen Fine Liner, black, and it's a 0.3. Very nice. I don't think I have this one. And Christmas present. It's really cute. Little reindeer. That's a little pen. That's very, very cute. So let's see what's in here. So here we have the description of what's in there in the box. Oh, look at this Santa Pirate. The Upcrate Battle, which is Wonderland. Ooh. Except that I really hope that white is working. Otherwise the Wonderland, if I use the black paper, is not going to work very well. Oh, that's so cute. That's a sticker. This is a Dell Ink Pen, and it's a little gift for Christmas. That's what I thought. Features many different figures on top, such as reindeer or Santa Claus. Which one did you receive? I got the reindeer. And then a couple more stickers. Artist Freedom and Upcrate sticker. Then, what are those? A gift card? What? I don't know. Maybe it's a greeting card that you draw on and mail it. But I don't know if I would want to mail one with some advertisement on it. But the paper is nice and smooth. Ho ho ho, season's greetings. And there's a postcard. Alright, that's what we got here with lots of paper here. Let's see what I can make for the Upcrate Battle with the theme of Wonderland. The paper was so thin that you could actually see the black paper underneath, but it's nice and smooth, and I thought it would be a great surface for all those markers. The two Faber-Castell metallic markers are really beautiful. They're great, and there's no pumps and you don't have to prime them, so it's really cool. The Artline Sticks brush marker, I was a bit familiar with them because, like I said, I had already received some in another box, and they're very good brushes. But I think they would be great for coloring and stuff, or actually lettering would be nice too with those. But I'm pretty sure they're for kids. The extra, the little reindeer pen, was really nice. The ink flows well, but you have to keep it up straight. I couldn't write with it slightly slanted, which annoyed me a little bit, but maybe it needs to get used to it. I'll have to try it again. It's a little awkward to use too because it's such a long pen. Now for the other Artline markers, there are 3 different tips. There's a bullet style, which I got a few of. There's the black one is a flat tip. It's kind of like a chisel tip. And then I got a couple of brush tips. And those brush tips are really nice too. And what's great with all those markers, even the Artline sticks, is that they're very, very juicy. So it's really a pleasure to use. Unfortunately, my white marker didn't work. It's all dried out and I tried to revive it. I was not able to. So I put that on the side and I decided to use a piece of white paper. And I took advantage of it being nice and thin so that I could use it to trace my sketch that I did in my sketchbook. Originally, I wanted with the Wonderland theme to do something like a winter wonderland and use the black paper and use the white marker, but it's not working. So I went to the Alice in Wonderland theme, and I played with that, and I really went out of my comfort zone because I don't often do illustrations like that, but it was a lot of fun. The paper is very, very smooth, so it's nice, but because it is so smooth and because the markers are very juicy, all my coloring was very streaky. But I didn't really care, I just wanted to have fun. Also, some of the Artline markers, the Decorite ones, you saw that some of them are metallic ones, then a couple of them are just regular ones, and then a couple feel more like paint markers. The paint is very opaque, and you can really see that with the yellow one and I think the yellow-green one. So you can use that on top of the black, which I did on top of my black marker. I let it dry, and then I went over several times to add a few layers to make it nice and opaque. I wanted to use the Artline Sticks markers in a fun, creative way, and I used their funny shape as stamps. And I took the copper marker, which has a nice juicy brush, and I just covered those circles with ink, and I imprinted them on the black, and it turned out really nicely. I don't know if you can see it very well on the video, but it was so much fun to do that, and it gave texture to that black background. So all in all, it was a fun box. I'm probably going to use those markers again just for fun, and or if I want to make cards or do some fun coloring. I really enjoyed using the Faber-Castell gold and silver markers. They're very nice. They're very juicy as well, considering that they do not have a pump. Although they didn't work very well on the paper because it started peeling very fast. But that's okay. I'm sure I'll get to use them again with something else. The Pitt Artist Pen Fine Liner was awesome. I really like it. And the graphite pencil was fine too. So a great box with lots of fun supplies. I'm looking forward to next month's box. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.